In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create geographic videos like the ones blowing up recently. Take this account for example. UK 540 gained over 1.3 million views on their very first video. Let's break down the process step by step.
Let's go!
Firstly, we need a script. Using ChatGPT, I have created a prompt that will use the same framework of a script from a viral video. All you need to do is copy in the prompt and change the topic you wish to speak about in your short. I will leave the script below in the description. If you feel as though the script is too long, you can ask ChatGPT to cut it so it lasts approximately 1 minute, like I have done so here. Now you have the script ready, head over to 11 Labs and copy in your script to export it using a voice of your choice. I have also linked this below. Open Google Earth Studio, choose your camera angle or animation type, then search for your desired location. Once selected, set the starting distance for your animation and adjust the length to your liking, whether it's 5 seconds or longer. Make sure you change the view to exploration mode. After you're happy with the results, click render and submit your project. After finalizing your setup, click on Cloud Renders and export your video. Repeat this for each region you discuss and also create an initial zoom into the country you are discussing. To keep the video snappy and engaging, remove any silences from your AI-generated voiceover. This ensures a smoother, more professional flow. To do so in this example, we are using Premiere Pro, but you can also use CapCut. Before we move on, our students are making up to $15,000 a month by posting content that's entertaining, effortless, and totally faceless. Take Ben, for example. He has 2 accounts, each with over 100,000 followers on both TikTok and YouTube. With monetizable, low-maintenance content, he's earned over $50,000 and generated more than 400 million views. If you want to learn how to do the same, join my free school community linked in the description. Now, let's dive into the next method. Import the clips you rendered from Google Earth Studio and align them with your voiceover. Zoom your clips to fit the screen using the effect panel. Adjust the speed and timing of each clip to sync perfectly with the audio. For sections mentioning specific countries, like the UK, add relevant visuals, such as a flag. Use the transform effect to animate the flag. Set one keyframe with the default position and another with the flag sliding into view. Then, refine the animation with a smooth graph for better motion. Enable motion blur, shutter, and set the angle to 360 for a polished effect. For other visuals, like character images, apply animations using scale or position to add variety and flair. Head to app.autocaption.io and upload your edited video. Choose a subtitle style. Podcast works great. Correct any errors in the text, then customize the style settings. Set subtitles to display 2 words per line for clarity. In the AI tools section, add emojis for extra engagement. Select a lot and hit Apply Magic. Once done, export the video. To remove the watermark from the subtitle tool, re-import the video into Premiere Pro. Place the version without captions on top of the subtitle video and apply the crop effect. Adjust the crop settings to seamlessly blend the 2 versions, removing any visible watermark. And that's it. Your geographic video is complete.
Ever wondered where you'll find the most chavs in the UK? Here's the top 5. 5th, Manchester. Known for its music and football, Manchester is also home to a thriving chav culture. Think tracksuits, gold chains, and park meetups with the crew. 4th, Birmingham. From Solihull to the Bullring, Birmingham's chavs rock their Burberry caps and Nike Air Max with pride, all while serving that iconic Brummie attitude. 3rd, Newcastle. Geordie chavs know how to party with bold fashion, louder attitudes, and the occasional Tesco car park showdown.
If you have questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment or join my completely free school community, linked in the description. We have a full team of mentors who will happily answer your questions. These mentors were previously students who have now mastered their craft. And if you're interested in seeing how you can create completely original niche videos, I have a full playlist linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.